today I am going to talk on the most the talk of the town, what we can say, the price action, so I'll start with the price action. I will give brief on the price action, and I will straight away move to the one of my price action setup, wherein I look for the trades. And please make sure that you have the pen and the book, because again, when we talk about the setup, it is couple of things that we need to understand. There are multiple what we can say scanner one need to use. ठीक है, so please be ready with the पेन पेपर, आप हाथ में रखना पेन पेपर. एंड डेफिनेटली मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा और इंग्लिश में भी बात करूंगा, so don't worry. So let's start with the price action. So most of the people have heard the the term price action, so it is the most important what I feel when it comes to the stock market. Price action बहुत important होता है. जब भी हम लोग स्टॉक मार्केट की बात करते हैं, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, because I feel that, I believe that you need to analyze the price, you need to study the price, right? जब तक हम लोग प्राइस को स्टडी नहीं करेंगे प्रॉपरली, it is what we can say, it is incomplete when we talk about the stock market. So we say that भाव भगवान छे, and it is proven. ठीक है, so I think so analyzing price is very important. Am I audible right clearly, everyone?
Echo is there, sir.
Yeah, that's why I just a minute.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
ठीक है. That's why please participant kindly use the chat box. I can read the messages. It's a request again. ठीक है, so I was talking about the price action. So I believe that analyzing price, studying price is very important. जब भी हम लोग स्टॉक मार्केट की बात करते हैं तो प्राइस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, बिकॉज सब कुछ उसी पे डिपेंड होता है. वी नीड टू रिएक्ट ऑन देम. अगेन, वी आर नॉट हियर टू प्रिडिक्ट द थिंग्स, वी आर हियर टू रिएक्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द प्राइस एक्शन, राइट? प्राइस एक्शन, एक्शन मतलब क्या होता है? you understand the word action. So we are not here to predict the things, we are here टू रिएक्ट. ठीक है, इतना दिमाग में रखना, हम लोग को रिएक्ट करना है. रिएक्ट करने के पहले जो चीजें हम लोग को देखनी है वो हम लोग क्लियरली वी विल सी हाउ टू लुक एट द थिंग्स. लाइक आई सेड, आई विल शेयर माय वन ऑफ माय सेटअप वेयरइन आई लुक फॉर पोजिशनल ट्रेड्स. ठीक है, पोजिशनल ट्रेड. इंट्राडे में ट्राई मत करना, बिकॉज आई हैवंट ट्राइड. ठीक है, it's been I'm working on the same setup since more than 5 years and it is working well. ठीक है, so मैं पूरा डिस्कस करूंगा आपके साथ में A to Z. What are the parameters you need to look in? ठीक है, what are the things you need to look in, और किस तरीके से, because I believe in filtration. So I have filtered my studies. ठीक है, I have filtered my studies. Like as again I'm saying, when we talk about the setup, setup में एक चीज नहीं होती है, there are multiple things. Okay, that's why I said कि पेन पेपर साथ में रखना. So you need to, you can जैसा जैसा मैं बोलूंगा वैसा वैसा हम लोग राइट करेंगे, because again 5-6 चीजें जब हम लोग क्लब करेंगे साथ में, देन वी कैन कम टू नो कि भाई हमारा सेटअप कंप्लीट होगा. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई एम शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन. स्क्रीन इज विजिबल टू एवरीवन? या, ठीक है. सो अगेन, so when we talk about the price action, when we talk about the specifically technical analysis, कि जब हम लोग no अमोल, आई थिंक स्क्रीन दिख रहा है मेरा, प्लीज आप अपने एंड से चेक कीजिए. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, जब हम लोग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस की बात करते हैं तो देयर इज वन अजम्पशन, हिस्ट्री विल रिपीट इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, जो हिस्टोरिकली हुआ है वो आगे भी होते रहेगा. दैट इज आवर बिलीफ, दैट इज आवर अजम्पशन. यस और नो? कितने लोगों ने सुना है ये चीज? हिस्ट्री विल रिपीट इटसेल्फ, जो हिस्टोरिकली हुआ है वो आगे भी होते रहेगा. यस और नो? जो हम लोग, बिकॉज वी स्टडी द हिस्ट्री, we study the history and then we try to make out the future कि फ्यूचर क्या हो सकता है, how it will react. ठीक है, तो हम लोग को प्रोडक्शन नहीं करना है, हम लोग को प्रोडक्शन नहीं करना है, बिकॉज सी लाइक आई सेड ना, प्राइस एक्शन, अपने को जब एक्शन होगा ना, देन वी आर देयर टू रिएक्ट. नाउ देयर आर टू सर्कमस्टेंसेस वेयर एक्शन कैन हैपन. ठीक है, देयर आर टू सर्कमस्टेंसेस देयर एक्शन कैन हैपन. फर्स्ट वन इज द ब्रेकआउट. सबको पता है ब्रेकआउट क्या होता है? व्हेन प्राइसेस गेट ब्रेकआउट्स और ब्रेक डाउन, वहां पे एक्शन आपको दिखेगा. ठीक है, प्राइसेस एक तो ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. एंड व्हेन वी सी अ पुल बैक, ठीक है, पुल बैक पता ना क्या होता है? आफ्टर सो मच डीप करेक्शन वी हैव सीन दी गुड रैली, जो हम लोग अभी निफ्टी के अंदर देख रहे हैं, आफ्टर हैविंग अ गुड फॉल, गुड स्टिफ फॉल, एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉल के बाद में वी हैव सीन अ फैंटास्टिक रैली, फैंटास्टिक पुल बैक, ठीक है? सो उसको हम लोग पुल बैक बोलते हैं। तो दो जगह पे ही आपका एक्शन आपको देखने को मिलेगा, आइदर ऑन द ब्रेकआउट्स और ऑन द पुल बैक। दैट्स व्हाई we need to consider these two things only. Either we will buy on the breakouts or we will buy on the pullback when it comes to the price action. Okay, so like again I'm saying that the assumption was history will repeat itself. So we need to look for the history कि भाई अगर मुझे अगर किसी को supports और resistance देखने हैं, so definitely I will look for कि what happened, from which level the the prices went up or went down, ठीक है? तो ही वो next time भी काम होगा. Okay, so the first concept when we look at the price action setup is the supports and resistance. It is most important. अगर आपको support resistance draw करना आ गया सही से, then you are through. अब उसी के भरोसे अब you can do your own whole trading on the supports and resistance itself, because until and unless you don't know how to draw the supports and resistance, you cannot go, हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, ठीक है? So it is very important to look for the supports and resistance, ठीक है? So we'll start with the supports and resistance. First and most important thing, whenever you draw supports and resistance, always look for longer time frame. Don't try to plot it on 15 minutes chart, which is intraday time frame. Okay, 15 मिनट में उसका इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. Now why longer time frame? ठीक है? Now look at this is daily chart. Can we see? This is daily chart. Daily chart मतलब एक दिन का एक candle, right? So it will take a day to form a single candle. If you look at the weekly chart, ठीक है? If you go to the weekly chart, I'm going to the weekly chart. I'll just put this only, okay? So now this is weekly chart, so it will take Mr. Sarabjit, you can zoom it from your end, okay? My screen is full, you need to zoom it from your end, okay? So when we look at the weekly chart, it will take a week, Monday to Friday, एक पूरा 5 दिन लगता है उसको एक कैंडल बनने को, ठीक है? एंड इफ यू गो टू द मंथली चार्ट, if you go to the monthly chart, it will take a month to form a single candle, ठीक है? So डेफिनेटली अगर डेली चार्ट्स पे हम लोग को ज्यादा कंफर्मेशन रहेगा या वीकली या मंथली चार्ट पे ज्यादा कंफर्मेशन रहेगा, बिकॉज डेली पे तो आपको एक दिन में एक कैंडल बन जा रहा है, बट व्हेन वी लुक एट द वीकली एंड मंथली चार्ट, इट टेक्स अ वीक. वो जो पूरा जो ट्रेंड होता है, जो पूरा मोमेंटम होता है, जो पूरा ट्रेंड होता है, जो पूरा मोमेंटम होता है, दैट होल वीक दैट नीड टू स्टैंड आउट, ठीक है? होल मंथ. So that's why I always say कि whenever you need to look for the supports and resistance, look for weekly on monthly chart. Draw your supports and resistance on weekly and monthly chart. Weekly and monthly chart has presence. Daily chart क्या होता है, कल दूसरी कैंडल बन जाएगी, बट वीकली चार्ट में if you find a green candle, so it takes a week. If you look at the monthly chart, it takes whole month to form a single candle. तो जो momentum है वो continue होना चाहिए पूरा महीना, right? So that's why always remember, whenever you want to plot the supports and resistance, always try to look for the longer time frame. एक हम लोग बोलते हैं ना टॉप डाउन अप्रोच, फंडामेंटल में बोलते हैं ना टॉप डाउन अप्रोच, so again we need to do same thing in technical analysis also, then you will grow like anything, ठीक है? टॉप डाउन अप्रोच मतलब मंथली, वीकली, डेली, इस तरीके से हम लोग को हमेशा स्टडी करना चाहिए. whichever stock, whichever study you find it, start it from the monthly chart. First you need to look at the monthly chart, then you need to come to the either on the daily or on the weekly chart, ठीक है? No, I'm not talking about intraday. Like I said, clearly said, it will be for positional, Mr. Manoj, right? So it will be, we are not going to talk on the intraday basis, because I am, I'm more hands-on on the positional trades, and I will share my, recent case studies also, wherein we have recommended it. I have posted the charts also on the Twitter even. So whenever the first point is, whenever you want to plot the supports and resistance, try to look for the longer time frame, ठीक है? मंथली और वीकली पे ही हम लोग जाएंगे. So this is SBI, so we'll start from the monthly itself, ठीक है? Just a minute. Now look at, this is monthly chart of SBI. SBI सबको पता है, निफ्टी का है, निफ्टी का स्टॉक है, डेफिनेटली लार्ज कैप, सुपर लिक्विडिटी स्टॉक है, मैनिपुलेट नहीं होता है, yes or no? Whenever you want to start studying, whenever as a beginner I'm saying, start with the Nifty 50 stocks. Nifty के 50 stock लो पहले, then you need to go with the 100, then 200, then 500. उससे ज्यादा जाना नहीं है, बस निफ्टी के 500 स्टॉक तक रहो. That will be enough for to research, to analyze. Okay, so this is the SBI. Everyone know about SBI. So this is the monthly chart of SBI. Now, like I said, the first thing what we need to look at the supports and resistance. Again, the assumption applied here. जो historically हुआ है वो आगे भी होते रहेगा. So now look at here. I will draw the supports and resistance line first, and there are some, like I said, I believe in filtration. तो filtration हम लोग को करने हैं, but first I will draw the supports and resistance line. It is very clear in this, so I'll clearly draw the lines, and then I will share the filtration part. कि filtration क्या क्या होना चाहिए जब हम लोग supports और resistance draw करेंगे तब. ठीक है. First filtration is clear. It is on the longer time frame. Intraday पे तो देखना ही नहीं है. Plot your supports and resistance on only longer time frame. It will give you a good cushion. Okay. Everyone understand why I drawn this resistance line? Because prices are taking resistance there. Sorry. And it is showing the pressure from the same level. Okay. 1, 2, 3 times it has already shown. Now I will draw the supports line. Everyone clear? How would I drawn the supports line? Now I'll show you. Look at here. From this end, okay, from this end, forget about सामने का जो हुआ भूल जाओ, पहले हिस्ट्री हम लोग देखते हैं कि हिस्टोरिकली स्टॉक ने कैसा परफॉर्म किया है. बिकॉज अगर हिस्टोरिकली अगर वो रिएक्ट कर रहा है प्राइजेस को, सो अगेन डेफिनेटली इट विल गोइंग टू रिएक्ट ऑन दी इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल. ठीक है. सो द यू नो लुक एट फ्रॉम दिस फॉल, SBI made somewhere high of 350 and it started falling and it has fall up to 150. Now, the second criteria for the supports and resistance. You can put anything, Mr. Sagar. Again, I'm saying, I'll definitely try to give answer, but let me complete, because when we talk about the setup, it should be in a proper way. Understand? So, Mr. Sagar, you can have the investing.com आपके पास में है, जितनी चाहिए उतनी आप you can have the as much as history you want. ठीक है? So it doesn't matter. Okay, so look at the fall. We have seen that from 350 to 150 stock fall in a one way. So, so that would be our second filtration. First filtration was always look supports and resistance on the longer time frame. Second filtration was prices should fall quickly or rose quickly. That only those stock we will cover. Only those stock we will consider. Okay. So now look at here. Now, what do you mean by fall quickly or rose quickly? Okay, every month. Look at this fall. I will draw the trend line here also. Now look at this fall. It was so quick. Every month it was so consistent. It was so consistent. Every month the SBI is making fresh lows. Look at, can we see here? Every month SBI is making fresh lows, and within, let's say, of the in 1 year, one year or so, it got 0.5% from 350 to 150. Okay. So we need to look for those stocks which has fallen quickly or rose quickly. ठीक है, जहां पे हम लोग I'm sorry. तो हम लोग वही स्टॉक कंसीडर करेंगे जहां पर हम लोग ने फॉल जो देखा है, शार्प फॉल देखा है. शार्प फॉल मतलब एवरी मंथ द स्टॉक इज मेकिंग फ्रेश लो, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं शार्प फॉल. ठीक है. और क्विक राइज. नाउ लुक एट दी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्विक राइज? ठीक है, आई विल ड्रॉ द क्विक राइज आल्सो. लुक एट दिस. ठीक है, कैन वी कॉल दिस एज क्विक राइज? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 कैंडल्स, 10 महीने में वापस 150 वाला 350 हो गया, डबल्ड. So only this stock we will consider. Everyone clear up to this? Quick fall, quick rise. Only those stock we will consider. ठीक है. And this thing we need to look in the history. ठीक है, तो हम लोग आगे काम करेंगे. ठीक है. Everyone clear up to this? We will only look for the longer time frame when it comes to the support resistance. We will look for the quick fall, quick rise. And the third filtration when it comes to the supports and resistance, stock should fall below 50% from its cent high. ठीक है, that we will consider as a good support. Stock should fall below 50%. Now look at here, from this end 350 to 150, आधा हो गया stock. It is more than half. ठीक है, so only this kind of stock we will look for. Now look at here. Same चीज इसमें जाएगी. जब बढ़ेगा stock, when the stock will go up, we will look for those stocks which got doubled. ठीक है, हम लोग बड़े सेटअप्स की बात करें, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोजिशनल सेटअप. यू विल नॉट गेट फ्रीक्वेंट ट्रेड, बट जहां पे भी ट्रेड मिलेगा इट विल बी फैंटास्टिक. अगेन आई एम शेयरिंग that the success ratio of this particular setup is 65 to 70%. Did I say 100%? No, I'm not saying 100%. Stop losses are there to trigger, you know, to accept that. Okay, so our success ratio for this setup will be 65 to 70%. Please understand it very, you know, बहुत अच्छे से समझना है, and it will be fantastic, you will believe. Now look at this, look at the rows in the market. जो market बड़ा है, it got doubled in the 10 months. So these kinds of stock we will consider. That will be our third filtration for the supports and resistance. Up to this, everyone clear? Everyone clear up to this? Support resistance filtration, everyone clear? I'm trying to explain in a layman. It's सबसे ज्यादा easiest language में I will try to explain. ठीक है, but मैं जितना एक्सप्लेन इजीली कर रहा हूं उतना इजी ये स्ट्रेटजी है नहीं. यू अंडरस्टैंड? दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड सब चीजें लिख के रखनी है. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड. सो अप टिल नाउ वी हैव सीन 3 filtration for only supports and resistance, to draw the supports and resistance. ठीक है, just a minute. ठीक है, market fall from this level first time. ठीक है, okay, the fall was very sharp. ठीक है, it you know, it lead to our expectation that it should fall below 50%. Now look at this fall, look at this rise. Just a minute, I will draw. Sorry. Can we see the rise here? Again the sharp rise. ठीक है, so we require 2 things. हिस्ट्री तो चाहिए ना हम लोग को आगे रिएक्ट करने के लिए, राइट? यहां से फॉल हुआ था, यहां से बढ़ा था, राइट? First time the market falls from here, the strong fall, and the sharp rise came from here. So whenever, so what you need to do, you just need to draw the horizontal line दोनों साइड में, ऊपर भी यहाँ पे I draw the horizontal line from here, that will call the resistance, and this, yes, this is called demand and supply. In technical language we call it the supports and resistors. In economical term we call it a demand and supply. It is simple as it is. ठीक है मिस्टर हरिमोहन, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. इट इज, यू राइटली एक्सेप्टेड, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को दिखा कि देयर इज अ सप्लाई अराउंड 350 जोन एंड देयर इज अ डिमांड अराउंड 150 जोन. ठीक है, सो वी रिक्वायर 2 पॉइंट्स. आगे काम करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर सम हिस्ट्री, राइट? सो whenever prices will come on this horizontal line we will react. ठीक है, तो जैसे देखो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट टाइम आया एंड मार्केट वेंट अप, अगेन it come to this line, again market look at the fall. ठीक है, it will goes on. This is called sideways trend. monthly chart है, yes or no? Now again I will share the recent case study on SBI also, how I, you know, managed to take the trade. Now look at this current level also. Look at the beauty of the stock. Again prices are bounced from the same support zone. Can you see this? कोई जादू नहीं है. This is not the magic. This is purely supports and resistance. This is purely the price action. ठीक है? Yes, Mr. Agarwal, if you look at, I will show you more than 15-20 stocks recently. See, sometimes you need to look for, there are, like I said, there are plenty of stock. You need to study. That is what your job is to be, right? You need to study. ठीक है? Yes, Sandeep. I will try to take the Tata Motor example also, but let me again complete it. I will get excuse from the chat box. Now I will complete, then only I will reply. Okay? Because people are waiting. So now look at this. Now look at this current current rise. It rose after touching. It rose after touching 150 level, 152 again, somewhere around 205, 204 again. Somewhere around 50 rupees, which is very good in SBI, right? So this is how we need to look for the stocks. So everyone clear up to 3 filtration. So now the 4th filtration, which is come from the FIBO level. हम लोग ने 3 filtration already देख लिए. अभी हम लोग चौथा filtration देखेंगे, which is again for the supports and resistance. And again I'm saying each and every, the 4th of the filtration we need to do it on the monthly chart itself. ठीक है, monthly chart पे ही हम लोग को करना है अभी. Okay, so now the 4th filtration I'm trying to do, which is coming from the FIBO level. Again, everyone, I'll just give the brief on FIBO level, because I think Gaurav must have covered the FIBO levels, because it is again the incomplete with when we talk about the harmonics without FIBO levels, right? So FIBO levels are, someone's mic is on, please kindly switch it off. Pranav Tendolkar, your mic is on. Pranav, kindly switch it off. Now, how to use the FIBO level when it comes to our setup? ठीक है, तो हम लोग FIBO level कैसे देखेंगे? So now our criteria again here. Again, our criteria will be, we will only consider those stocks. We will only consider those stocks which are trading below 50% retracement. ठीक है, 50% retracement I'm saying. Now, how to draw the FIBO level? FIBO level draw करना बहुत easy होता है. You just require the deepest low. Now look at again this low, this at this place. So you require to draw the FIBO level. You require the deepest low, okay, and the recent high. Okay, we are talking about this juncture only. We are not going ahead as of now. We are talking about this juncture only. Okay. So when we talk about the FIBO level in our setup, how to filter it? We need to look for only those stocks which are trading below 50% retracement. Can we see the 50% retracement? It is 220. Just a minute, I will take it. So I will put the line on the 50% retracement. The black line, the black line I plotted, it is the 50% retracement. So जब उसके नीचे stock आ जाएगा, we will consider only those stock. Like I said, we require at least 50% correction from the recent high. So same rule in FIBO level also. Now why to use the FIBO levels? FIBO levels are fantastic when it comes to the supports and resistance. Okay, my screen is visible to all. It is getting blurred. Yeah, ठीक है. Kishore, kindly check from your end. So FIBO levels are fantastic when it comes to the supports and resistance. It shows you fantastic level. There are plenty of numbers. It starts from the 23.1, 38.2, 50%. Then we have 61.8, 78.6, 88%, and it goes on. Now, why I said below 50%? Why not above 50%? We will consider. Always remember, if you look at the best supports in the FIBO levels are standing at 61.8 or 78.6. Okay, Divya, we need to draw the FIBO level from the lower end, deepest low. This is the deepest low, and you need to put it to the highest immediate high. Okay, so 61.8, 78.6 are the fantastic supports when it comes to the FIBO level. That's why in my setup, I consider only those stocks which are trading below 50% retracement. Are we clear? ठीक है, that's why I said 50% के नीचे जो रहेगा उसी को हम लोग consider करेंगे, because again we want some good supports on every hands. ठीक है, हम लोग के पास में मंथली में सपोर्ट है, अगर FIBO का भी सपोर्ट है. Now look at here the bounce. Now I'm talking about this ये जो मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. Now look at this setup. यहाँ पे जो जब SBI बढ़ा, so it bounced from the 78.6. ठीक है, 78.6 again the fantastic supports when it comes to the FIBO levels. That's why I am using FIBO level when it comes to the supports and resistance. So far so clear. For support resistance we require fourth filtration. 4 filtration किया है हम लोग ने. Always remember, when we talk about the trading, you require the confirmations. ठीक है, you require as many as confirmation. जितने ज्यादा confirmation रहेंगे आपके पास में, उतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आपका बना रहेगा. अदरवाइज हम लोग ट्रेड लेने के बाद में वही सोचते रहेंगे, खाना पीना भूल जाएंगे, रात को नींद नहीं आएगी. We don't want that. That's why we are creating confirmation. We are making confirmations. ठीक है, so these are the confirmation for us. That's why we need to filter this study. ठीक है, so this is we got 2 confirmations here. First one the supports and second one is that FIBO levels. ठीक है, Divya, there is no lower point. I will draw it again for your information. Okay, so from this is the only lower point. You understand? Just a minute. Okay, this is the only immediate lower point and this is the immediate high point. Okay, we are not talking about the future. We are just interested in 2 points. These 2 points. That's why I'm saying you just require deepest low. This is your deepest low and this is your immediate high. we are standing somewhere here, that's why I adjourn this line. ठीक है, clear दिव्या? Now let's move to the lower time frame now. So now everyone clear what activity, what things we need to take it on the longer time frame, monthly or weekly, जहां पे भी आपको मिले वहां पे आप करो. So these are the 4 activities. ठीक है, these are the 4 activities, these are the four filtration process that we need to do on the longer time frame. ठीक है, लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम मतलब मंथली और वीकली, डेली लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम में नहीं आता है. ओके, डेली चार्ट इज नॉट द लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम. ठीक है, वीकली एंड मंथली are the longer time frame. ठीक है, so either you plot it on the monthly chart or you plot it on the weekly chart. दोनों जगह मत करना, otherwise you will get confused again. So in SBI it was, see again there is one more reason to use the longer time frame. Now look at the data, it is clear, it is crystal clear. ठीक है, it is, I will do, Mr. Sarabjit, definitely I will do. और रिपीट हो जाएगा, हम लोग we are going to same, we are going to act on the same setup. तो बार बार रिपीट होते जाएगा and definitely you will get that. ठीक है, so the reason why I use the monthly or the weekly chart is look at the the clear, crystal clear data. अगर मैं यही चार्ट अगर डेली चार्ट पे देखूंगा ना तो पूरा एकदम से आई नीड टू जूम करके मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा. यू गेट ऑन, जितना आप लंबा टाइम फ्रेम जाओगे यू विल गेट द फिल्टर डेटा, एकदम क्लियर डेटा मिल रहा है आपको. परफेक्ट यहां से ही एसबीआई गिरा, परफेक्ट यहां से ही एसबीआई बढ़ा, अगेन इट फॉल फ्रॉम द सेम लेवल, अगेन इट बॉट इट वेंट अप फ्रॉम द सेम लेवल, अगेन इट फॉल फ्रॉम द सेम रेजिस्टेंस. सो हाउ मच यू गो ऑन द लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम यू विल सी द मोर फिल्टर डेटा. ठीक है, हरिमोहन, more than 50% मतलब like I said below 50%, more than 50% means FIBO level we need to consider only those stocks which are trading below 50%, which means that below 50% we have good supports, 61.8, 78.6, these are fantastic supports when it comes to the FIBO levels. तो वहां का अगर हम लोग को मिलता है so अच्छा एक confirmation होता है हम लोग के लिए. You understand? ठीक है, that's why we use the filtration process below 50% retracement. We are not interested in 38.2, we are not interested in 23.6. Yeah, I try to not take the question, but I this is again my duty is to clear each and every dot because we go ahead. ठीक है, so this is the only activity that we need to do on the monthly chart. ठीक है, ये monthly chart पे सब करने के बाद में हम लोग को अब daily chart पे जाना है. Always remember what I said, top down approach. ठीक है, टॉप डाउन अप्रोच कभी भी हमेशा याद रखना when it comes to the trading. अगर if you are an intraday trader, मैं आपको honestly बोल रहा हूँ, though we are, it is not part of the our curriculum, but yes I'm trailing. अगर आपको इंट्राडे में काम करना है so plot your supports on daily chart. ठीक है, फिर आप इंट्राडे में काम करो. अगर आपको थोड़ा मोमेंटम प्ले करना है महीना, 2 महीना, 3 महीना के लिए, so plot your supports and resistance on monthly and weekly chart and take a trade on daily chart. ठीक है, क्लियर? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड टॉप डाउन अप्रोच. ठीक है, हम लोग ने पहले मंथली से स्टार्ट किया, देन नाउ वी विल गो टू द डेली चार्ट. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द डेली चार्ट. बिफोर गोइंग टू द डेली चार्ट, सो फार सो क्लियर ऑन मंथली चार्ट व्हाट एक्टिविटी वी नीड टू डू. इट इज वेरी सिंपल, बहुत इजी है ये. हम लोग को सिर्फ लाइंस ड्रॉ करने हैं, थोड़े फिल्ट्रेशन है वो हम लोग को फिल्ट्रेशन डालने हैं, दैट्स इट. यस, 4 पॉइंट्स, दैट्स इट. ठीक है, बट वी कांट मिस एनी सिंगल पॉइंट, कोई भी मिस नहीं करना है. ठीक है, कोई भी मिस नहीं करना है. चलो लेट्स मूव टू द डेली चार्ट नाउ. नाउ दिस इज, ये जो हम लोग को देखना था ये चार्ट्स पे देखना था. अभी तक जो भी हम लोग ने अभी तक देखा दैट इज ओनली ऑन दी चार्ट. नाउ वी विल ऐड इंडिकेटर्स. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, चार्ट्स को आइसोलेशन में यू कैन नॉट यूज फॉर द लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम. ज्यादा दूर तक आप नहीं सक्सेस कर पाओगे. यू नीड टू ऑलवेज यूज, when it comes to the technical, don't use anything in isolation manner. आपको किसी ना किसी का तो उसका साथ देना ही पड़ेगा. You understand? Always remember, whatever you trade, you are a breakout trader, you are a price action trader, whatever you are trader, you are harmonic trader, try to use the indicator along with the other studies. ठीक है, so it is very important to look for the indicator. So again we back to the previous supports only. ठीक है, and after this I will take the current case study of SBI also. ठीक है, so I will draw this line. This was 50% retracement. Again I will draw this delete this line. Okay, so there are two lines, up and low, that is supports and resistance. Now the first indicator that we need to use is the RSI. Now what is RSI? It is relative strength index. I'm not going to be very detailed on the RSI. You can go on the Google और वहाँ आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा, but I will share what you need to look at in the RSI. ठीक है, just a minute. ठीक है, I will briefly मैं बता देता हूँ what is RSI. ठीक है, RSI again it measures the strength. ठीक है, it measures the strength of any stock or index. ठीक है, am I audible everyone? Mr. Vipul is not getting my voice, I guess. Am I audible? Yeah, Mr. Vipul, kindly check from your end. Yeah, so RSI is a relative strength index. Relative strength, it means that it shows, it gives you indication that the strength is coming, the strength is changing from bulls to bear or bears to bull. ठीक है, it gives, जो हम लोग को चार्ट्स पर नहीं दिखता है ना, it clearly visible in the indicator. It is very important. RSI is one of my favorite. It is fantastic. If I'll explain, no, then you will realize how important is RSI. ठीक है, तो इसका जो पहले मैं फॉर्मेशन बताता हूँ, how it forms. So there is, if you can see the right scale, there is a scale 0 to 100. ठीक है, 0 to 100 का आपको स्केल दिख रहा होगा. So there are two levels, overbought and oversold zone. ठीक है, तो 30 below is oversold, 70 above is overbought zone. ठीक है, overbought oversold मतलब क्या होता है कि एक्सट्रीम तेजी हो गई है और एक्सट्रीम मंदी हो गई है. ओके, ठीक है, तो वो हम लोग को ध्यान में नहीं रखना है. ठीक है, इट इज गुड फॉर लर्निंग, उस पर हम लोग को काम नहीं करना है. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू लुक एट इन द RSI इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज डाइवर्जेंसेस. क्या हम लोग को RSI के अंदर क्या देखना है? हम लोग को ओनली एंड ओनली डाइवर्जेंसेस. वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन ओवरबॉट ओवरसोल्ड टेरिटरी. वी आर नॉट एट ऑल इंटरेस्टेड. ठीक है, we will only look divergences. What we will look? Only divergences. Now kindly note down, there are two types of divergences. ठीक है, one is positive divergence, there another one is the negative divergence. Now what is positive divergence? Positive divergence हमेशा आपको दिखेगा, when it comes to the long side, positive divergence को मिलेगा. Negative divergence के अंदर we try to short the market or we try to book the longs. ठीक है, now here I think someone's mic is still on. Okay, now how the divergences work, that I will tell. Just a minute. So this was our support zone. I will hide this. Okay, I will remove this too. Now that is what there are no hidden divergences, Mr. Anil. That is called hidden buying or hidden selling. Okay? Divergence are only positive and the negative divergences. What divergences shows to us? Where hidden buying is going on, which is not visible on the chart. ठीक है, ये हम लोग को divergences से मालूम पड़ता है, जो कि बहुत important होता है. Where hidden selling is going on, which is clearly visible in the indicator but not on the chart. Now look at here. Now look at here. See, again, like I say, each and everything is depend on the prices. जो भी indicators, whatever the indicators are there, जो भी indicator बने हैं, ये price से ही बने हैं. Price भगवान है वो, समझ रहे हो ना, उससे ही सब कुछ बना हुआ है. Okay, so each and everything is based on the price. ठीक है, तो जो RSI है ये कहीं अलग से नहीं है. Again, it is based on the price. तो जैसा price move करेगा, RSI move करेगा. ठीक है, but it has some characteristics which got suddenly changes. Now वो हम लोग को देखनी है कौन सी चेंज, कैसा चेंज हो रहा है. Now look at here. I will draw the trend line. Prices have fallen up to this. ठीक है, prices दिख रहे clearly, prices नीचे आ रहे, clearly falling. There is a clear cut trend every day. SBI is making fresh low करके यहाँ तक आया. Now look at the RSI. Again, it is also falling. ठीक है, प्राइस भी गिर रहा है, RSI भी गिर रहा है. कैन वी सी? नाउ लुक एट हियर, जो अभी जो आ रहा है. नाउ अगेन प्राइजेस मेड फ्रेश लो. कैन वी सी द फ्रेश लो? प्राइजेस मेड द फ्रेश लो हियर. यहाँ पे प्राइस ने फ्रेश लो बनाया. ठीक है, यहाँ पे यहाँ तक बरोबर था. यहाँ पर प्राइजेस मेड द फ्रेश लो, बट डिड योर RSI मेड द फ्रेश लो? नो. Yes or no? RSI did RSI did not made the fresh low. I will draw the trend line, just a minute. Look at here, look at here. ठीक है, RSI ने लो बनाया क्या? It should fall along with the price. Yes or no? It should fall along with the price because again it is based on the price itself. अभी तक गिर रहा था, but now it has stopped. Now it has stopped. Though prices have fallen, but RSI did not made fresh low. Again prices went up small and again prices made fresh low. दिख रहा है हम लोग को चार्ट पे? Again prices made fresh low, but look at the RSI. It is intent to go up. It is not falling. Yes or no? Prices are falling, but RSI is not falling. It's called the positive divergence. Everyone clear what is positive divergence? Is if your prices are making low and if your RSI is not making fresh low, which means there are positive divergence. ठीक है, clear, crystal clear है? Easy to understand? Prices गिर रहा है? Yes, you can. Aditi, your Aditi, kindly switch off your MIC. Just a minute. It is disturbing, guys. You need to understand this. Okay, Aditi left. Good. ठीक है. So in nutshell, in small words, I can explain what is positive divergence. If your prices are making low and your RSI is not making low, which means there are positive divergences. Yes, you can call it the multiple divergences. Okay, you can call it. I will explain, Mr. Amit. I will explain. Let me complete my price action setup. This is one of the confirmation that we need to take in. Like I said, now we need to add the confirmation to our studies, right? We need to add the confirmation. We are adding the confirmation. We have not initiated the trade yet. We are adding just confirmation. So we have added 2 confirmation on the monthly chart. Now on daily chart, this is our 3rd confirmation that stock is trading in positive divergence. Okay, positive divergences are witnessed on the daily chart. Yes or no? Until this clear, everyone, how to look at the positive divergences? Yes, Mr. Kapil, definitely. Okay, so this is how one should look for the positive divergences. So RSI में हम लोग को क्या करना है? We don't need to look for the overbought, oversold territory. No, we are not interested. We are only interested in looking divergences. ठीक है, सिर्फ डाइवर्जेंस देखना है हम लोग को RSI के अंदर. Whatever you will do studies, इसके बाद भी try to look for divergences rather than looking for the overbought, oversold zone. अगर वो overbought भी है तो भी वो चलेगा. आपको पता है रिलायंस, राइट? रिलायंस चलते ही रहेगा. इट इज इन ओवरबॉट बट स्टिल इट इज गोइंग अप. ठीक है, सो इट विल नॉट मेक सेंस. ठीक है, वो पढ़ने के लिए अच्छा होता है. इट इज गुड फॉर स्टडी, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द अप्लाइंग यू नीड टू ऐड दिस फिल्ट्रेशन अगेन. ठीक है, सो अगेन इन RSI we are going to look for only divergences. Up to this clear everyone? Now this is our 3rd confirmation. ठीक है, ये अपना तीसरा confirmation था. हम लोग ने 2 confirmation मंथली से लिए, सपोर्ट्स और फिबो लेवल का. Now this is our 3rd confirmation that on daily chart, सिर्फ daily charts पे देखना है. Again I am saying divergences are only look at on the lower time frame. ठीक है, लोअर टाइम फ्रेम मतलब डेली, बिकॉज वी केम फ्रॉम द मंथली. ठीक है, लोअर टाइम फ्रेम 15 मिनट में चले आना. वी केम फ्रॉम द मंथली, दैट्स व्हाई डेली इज द लोअर टाइम फ्रेम. यस और नो? सो डेली इज द लोअर टाइम फ्रेम इफ यू कंपेयर टू द मंथली चार्ट. तो डाइवर्जेंसेस हम लोग को डेली चार्ट्स पर देखने हैं. डोंट ट्राई टू लुक इट ऑन द मंथली चार्ट, अदरवाइज यू विल मिस द रैली, बिकॉज एक महीने के बाद एक कैंडल बनेगा वहां पे. ठीक है, सो ट्राई टू लुक, you need to look divergences only on the daily chart. ठीक है, clear? Now the second indicator that we need to use in this process is the MACD. ठीक है, you must have heard the name MACD, moving average convergence divergence. Again this is one of the fantastic indicator. One can say this is more mature indicator than RSI. ठीक है, RSI से ज्यादा mature indicator जो है वो MACD है, because RSI में you will find the divergences very quickly. अगर आपको और ज्यादा divergences देखने हैं तो use stochastic which is fastest moving. मैं पहले यूज करता था then but I stopped because उसमें बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेड्स आते हैं. I don't want frequent trade, I want rare trade. ठीक है, so RSI is fantastic. Again MACD is very good. Yes Vedika, ठीक है. So MACD is, again I will explain what is the process for what is the formation of the MACD. ठीक है, again moving average convergence divergence, there are two lines, like in RSI we have 0 to 100 scale, here we have plus minus scale. यहाँ पे आपको राइट साइड में दिख रहा होगा, एंड दिस इज जीरो लाइन. ठीक है, ये जीरो लाइन जो दिख रही है आपको, दिस इज कॉल्ड बेस लाइन. क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग इसको? बेस लाइन. एंड दिस आर द हिस्टोग्राम्स. ये जो ऊपर आपको लाइंस दिख रहे हैं, दिस आर कॉल्ड हिस्टोग्राम्स. जितना मोमेंट एक्टिव होगा उतने बड़े बड़े आपको हिस्टोग्राम दिखते जाएंगे चार्ट्स पर. ठीक है, अगेन ये सब हम लोग को नहीं देखना है. What we need to look at in the MACD, जैसे हम लोग को RSI के अंदर डाइवर्जेंस देखने थे, MACD के अंदर we need to look for the crossovers. Now क्रॉसओवर के पहले जाने के पहले ये दो लाइन में एक्सप्लेन कर दूं. व्हाट आर दिस टू लाइंस आर. ठीक है, द ब्लू लाइन इज कॉल्ड द MACD लाइन. ठीक है, जो ब्लू लाइन है उसको हम लोग MACD लाइन बोलते हैं. इट इज हाउ टू ड्रॉ दी, मतलब वो तो आपको इजीली मालूम पड़ जाएगा जब भी आप ड्रॉ करोगे. whenever you draw the, you will plot the MACD, it definitely come, but उसके calculation I will briefly explain. ठीक है, so 26 EMA minus 12 EMA if you do, you will get the MACD line. This is blue line, and this red line is the 9 EMA. This is called signal line. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Signal line. And now what do you mean by crossovers? यहाँ पे देखो, whenever your MACD line cross over the signal line, you get the bullish confirmation. ठीक है, I will draw here. Just a minute. ठीक है, दिख रहा है यहाँ पे क्रॉसओवर. कैन वी सी द क्रॉसओवर हियर? MACD line, blue line has crossed over the red line, which gives you bullish sign, and vice versa. If your red line is crossing, now look at here, if your red line is crossing above the MACD line, that is called the bearish sign. ठीक है, so now just a minute. Okay, we are here again, we back to the current levels. Just a minute, I will go back to that level. Now look at here. So everyone understand what we need to look at in the MACD? We just need to look at the crossovers. We just need to take the confirmation in MACD from the crossovers. But if we got the divergences, you can definitely look the divergences again in the, when it comes to the MACD also. If you get the divergences in MACD, it will be fantastic. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, एक ट्रेड लेना है और एक क्वांटिटी में ट्रेड लेना है. ठीक है, there are two definitions. एक नॉर्मल ट्रेड लेना है और एक क्वांटिटी में ट्रेड लेना है. इफ यू फाइंड divergences in MACD, don't try to miss the trade, because like I said, MACD is more mature indicator than RSI. MACD के अंदर आपको रेयर केस में divergences मिलेंगे, रेयर केस में. Every second chart is not going to show the divergences in MACD. RSI में तो आपको divergences मिलेंगे. RSI has the job to do the, RSI has the job to form the divergences. But MACD has the job to give the crossover. But if you get the divergences in MACD also, तो सोने पे सुहागा जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, कि जहाँ पे हम लोग को क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करनी है. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करेंगे इफ you get the divergences in the MACD also. ठीक है, divergences, I hope everyone clear how to look at the divergences. Prices are falling, but your RSI is not falling or MACD is not falling. Now look at here, if there is a small divergence here also, मैं delete कर देता हूँ. Now look at here, I will draw again. Look at here, prices गिर रही है, prices are falling, again your MACD is falling. ठीक है, clear cut fall हो रहा है सब कुछ, यहाँ तक फॉल आया. I'm sorry. Again prices went up, again prices have fall and made the fresh low. दिख रहा है हम लोग को वापस fresh low लगा. But did MACD has given fresh low? No, it did not. It made the fresh high. Can we see the small divergences in the MACD also? It should fall, right? Again MACD is based on the price. If your prices are falling, MACD should fall, right? Again, like I said, each and every indicator is based on the price. Am I audible to everyone? Yeah.
Yes.
So much jana. Yeah. People are not replying. I'm asking. Is it boring?
No.
So try to be very active. Yes, no, करते रहना है हम लोगों को. This is how I get the motivation, right? Yeah. Yeah, good. You need to concentrate. Yeah. चलो ठीक है. So everyone clear with the divergences in the MACD also. Prices made fresh low, but MACD did not made fresh low, which means there are divergences in MACD. Like I said, जब when you get the divergences in MACD, you need to increase the quantity. वहां पे थोड़ा आपका कन्विक्शन जो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, कन्विक्शन आपका बढ़ जाता है when you get the divergences in MACD. ठीक है, अगर नहीं मिलता है डाइवर्जेंसेस, ओके, गो फॉर दी सिंपल क्रॉस ओवर. ठीक है, ये थैंक यू जितेन. गो फॉर दी सिंपल क्रॉस ओवर्स. हम लोग सी डाइवर्जेंसेस इज एड ऑन, बट हम लोग को सिर्फ एमएससीडी के अंदर क्या देखना है, व्हाट एक्चुअली वी नीड टू लुक एट इज दी क्रॉस ओवर्स. जो हम लोग को जैसे एमएससीडी लाइन क्रॉस करेगा, वी नीड टू लुक फॉर दोस. इफ वी गेट द डाइवर्जेंसेस, दैट इज दी एड ऑन. नाउ this is our fourth confirmation. So far so clear, up to 4 confirmation. RSI was third, MACD was 4. ठीक है, MACD के अंदर भी we got the confirmation. Look at here, we got the crossover, we got the divergences. Definitely we are the stock is in, you know, it is very, we are very close to take a trade now. ठीक है, now let's move to the main part of the breakout now. Like I said, until and unless when we study the price action, when we look for the price action, specific price action, like मैं पहले ही बोला था, without breakout there is no action. Yes or no? Without breakout there is no action. So until and unless breakout will not happen, we are not going to shoot up a trade. तो हम लोग को वेट करना है कि ब्रेकआउट आए स्टॉक के अंदर. इट कैन बी एनी ब्रेकआउट, इट कैन बी डबल बॉटम ब्रेकआउट, इट कैन बी फॉलिंग ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट, it can be rectangle breakout, any breakout. ठीक है, in this particular setup you mostly get double bottom breakout or the falling trend line breakout. ठीक है, तो जब तक ब्रेकआउट नहीं आएगा तब तक तो ट्रेड लेना ही नहीं है. these are only add-ons. ये हमारे कंफर्मेशन है, these are building our confidence. ठीक है, बिफोर शूटिंग अप अ ट्रेड हम लोग को ये सब कंफर्मेशन देखने पड़ते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि ब्रेकआउट हुआ मैंने ले लिया ट्रेड बाद में स्टॉप लॉस. नो, see, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि in this particular setup you will not hit the stop losses. Yes, definitely. Like I said, the success rate is 65%. So 25% time I got the stop loss. But मुझे study करके, I need to study. We are here to learn. We are here to study. So we will study properly. ठीक है, मुझे क्या लग रहा है वो will not work out in market. ठीक है, what you think will not be appreciated by market. ठीक है, you need to accept the fact. ठीक है, so you need to act according to the market. That's why we are adding the confirmation. That's why we are filtering our studies. ठीक है, हम लोग इसलिए हम लोग filter कर रहे हैं before shooting up a trade. ठीक है, so now we need to look for the breakout. Now I will draw the falling trend line. Now look at the falling trend. I have drawn the falling trend line. Now how to draw the falling trend line? It is very simple. You just need to add the two highs. ठीक है, ये मेरा बड़ा वाला हाई था, I added this. ठीक है, और ये मेरा इमीडिएट हाई है, आई ड्रॉ दी ट्रेंड लाइन. ठीक है, इट इज वेरी इजी टू ड्रॉ दी ट्रेंड लाइन. यू जस्ट नीड टू ऐड दी टू हाइज और दी टू लोस, तो आपका ट्रेंड लाइन बन जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ सो वी गॉट द ब्रेकआउट इन दिस कैंडल. आफ्टर हैविंग सो मेनी कंफर्मेशन वी गॉट द ब्रेकआउट इन दिस कैंडल. सॉरी, आफ्टर हैविंग कंफर्मेशंस वी गॉट द ब्रेकआउट इन दिस कैंडल. ये ग्रीन कैंडल दिख रहा है आपको, ये कैंडल में अपना ब्रेकआउट हुआ, ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट आया. नाउ this was our fifth confirmation. ये पांचवा confirmation है. Now the final confirmation will be the volume. Volume is the ingredient part of the price action, because if there is a action and if there is no volume, then that can be a fake breakout. I hope most of the people have gone through the fake breakout. क्या होता है, अरे breakout दिया था फिर नीचे आ गया, मेरा stop loss खा लिया, you know. So whenever you trade the breakouts, look for volume, decent volume. ठीक है, decent volume. What do you mean by decent volume now? So I will put the first volume on the charts. Now can we see the volumes on the charts? Yes or no? दिख रहा है volume? Now what do you mean by the decent volume? जो decent volume हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि कैसा, see, volume is easily visible on the chart. आपको spike दिखेगा ही दिखेगा, but sometimes what happens, कभी कभी breakout होता है, volume ज्यादा aggressive नहीं होता है, but it was a descent. So descent का जो मेरा term है वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Can we see this in volume? Can we see the black line? जो black line दिख रही है हम लोग को volume के अंदर? Yes or no? Can we see the black line in the volume indicator? That is the 50 moving average. you just need to, whenever you have the doubt कि मेरा volume खराब है या अच्छा है, you just need to put the moving averages in the volume. That will clear your, clear your views. I prefer the 50 moving average. You can put the 20 also, or you can put the 100 also, but don't go above the 100. Otherwise breakout ही नहीं आएगा lifetime तक. ठीक है? बहुत rare case में आएगा. So don't try to go above 100. Stick up to the 100. I prefer 50. Nothing, Nilesh, you don't need to do anything. यहाँ पे आप जाओगे setting में, you will see, यहाँ पे setting में गए, यहाँ पे आपको moving average दिख गया, 50 डालो, खत्म करो. ठीक है? Krunal, I believe in 50. ठीक है? ठीक है? So if your volume of the breakout candle is above your 50 moving average, it is a decent volume. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? It is a decent volume. Like I said, sometimes if breakouts happen, but एक बड़ा spike नहीं लगता है because पहले accumulation ज़्यादा हो जाता है, in some stocks we get the accumulation in big candles and then we see the small candle at the time of breakout, तो फिर हम लोग we get confused, अरे यार breakout है या नहीं है. So at that time you can put the moving average in your volume so that you know that last 50, hope everyone knows the what is moving average. तो last 50 दिन से ज़्यादा मेरा वॉल्यूम हुआ है आज, एंड इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी वेरी गुड. ठीक है मिस्टर संदीप, यू कैन गेट द इंडिकेटर्स फ्रॉम द चार्ट इटसेल्फ, सो देयर इज नथिंग लाइक रॉकेट साइंस. सब आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. आप जैसे डालोगे ना, लुक एट दिस, इफ यू टाइप RSI you will get RSI, if you type MACD you will get MACD, if you type volume you will get volume. ठीक है, तो डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. ठीक है, so now look at this, I will zoom it more. दिस वॉज द ब्रेकआउट कैंडल. ये हमारा ब्रेकआउट कैंडल था, ये ग्रीन वाला. यस और नो? ये हमारा ब्रेकआउट कैंडल है, इसने फॉलोइंग ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट दिया है. नाउ माय वॉल्यूम इज आल्सो अबव द 50 मूविंग एवरेज. दिख रहा है? 50 मूविंग एवरेज से ज्यादा मेरा वॉल्यूम है क्या? या ठीक है. सो इट इज अगेन इट इज अ डिसेंट वॉल्यूम आई कैन कंसिडर. नाउ दीज आर द स्टॉक्स वन शुड कंसिडर. ठीक है, these are the stocks one should consider. So after having 6 filtration, after having 6 criteria, we got our setup full. अभी हमारा सेटअप पूरा हुआ है, बट एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बची है, वो है ट्रेड लेना. ठीक है, सो व्हेन वी विल टेक अ ट्रेड, व्हेन द नेक्स्ट डे आफ्टर दिस ग्रीन कैंडल, the next day, what is the high of this green candle? Look at the higher side, 164.45. can we see the 164.45? एवरीवन दिख रहा है ऊपर हम लोग को? हाई में ओपन, हाई लो क्लोज 164.45. जैसे ही नेक्स्ट डे जब 164.45 विल गेट ब्रेक, इट मींस दैट योर पैटर्न गॉट एक्टिवेटेड. ठीक है, जब तक 165 ब्रेक नहीं होगा वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू टेक अ ट्रेड. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि नेक्स्ट कैंडल में ही हो, इट कैन बी आफ्टर 2-3 कैंडल ऑल्सो, बट अगर नेक्स्ट कैंडल में होता है तो इट शोज दैट मोमेंटम इज एक्टिव. यू अंडरस्टैंड? So until and unless after having 6 confirmation also, you will buy only when the high of the green candle, high of the breakout candle will get break. Mr. Indir, I will come to your question. Let me finish it and then definitely I will have the question. I will share the case studies where you will have the no doubts. I prefer. Okay. So everyone clear up to this? So now here we entered. यहाँ पे हमारा break हो गया 164. yes Mr. Sai, you can put buffer definitely. आप रखो ना, 2-3 रुपए का बफर रखो, doesn't matter. Like I said 165 है ना, तो ओके ठीक है. 166, 167 उसके ऊपर ब्रेक होगा ना, so I will enter. no okay ठीक है, I will not enter in the next, I will enter here. ठीक है, I just need to put my bids, right? Buffer is always good. 10-15 पैसे का बफर नहीं होता है, 1-2 रुपए का बफर होता है एटलीस्ट. It should be on percentage wise. If you consider we are talking about the positional setup, so it should be on percentage time. ठीक है, I will consider this as a breakout. ठीक है, as of now. So in next candle, look at the high 164.8. so the previous high of the previous candle got break and the setup got active. Everyone clear? Now we are in the trade. We are in the trade. अभी हम लोग ट्रेड में आ गए. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Everyone clear up to this? So I will go with the targets and stop loss. Everyone clear up to this? No, we don't need to enter about 325. We need to enter next day, right? 3:25. let it close, market close. You know, though we are doing study on EOD basis. See, there are many people who joined in, are, you know, have the, you know, different, what we can say, the job profile. So EOD basis पे this will be the perfect one that you can do. आप घर पे आओ, आराम से काम करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, सुबह 9:15 बजे सौदे उतर जाएंगे, ठीक है? So now everyone clear? Very good. Now we are in the trade now. Now we need to look for the targets and the stop losses, ठीक है? We need to look for the targets and the stop losses. Mr. Dheeraj, I don't know about Zerodha. I don't use personally. I use as this investing. So please excuse me for that, because I don't go away from the investing, and I'm having the paid softwares. So I don't use that Zerodha. Okay. So I don't know, maybe. Now look at here. We got entered. Okay. Now what was the high? 165. We will consider as a 165. Always remember. Whenever we take a breakout trade, जब भी हम लोग not closing, it should be above high, अनूप, ठीक है? अगर इसका हाई ब्रेक हो गया ना, जैसे कि मैं like I said ना 164.45 है, तो जैसे इसका हाई ब्रेक होगा we will enter, ठीक है? So we entered, it made the high of 164.8. We don't know how it will close. Either it can close red or green. हम लोग तो enter हो गए ना, 3:30 बजे खोल देगा, we don't know, right? We entered already. We don't know, you know, what will be the candle will form. Either it will form green or red. We don't know about that. We entered as the high broke. We entered. Okay. So always remember, when we talk about the breakout stock, your stop loss will be your swing low. Always, any breakouts, not only these breakouts, any breakout. Wherever you take the breakout stock, always remember the swing low will be your stop loss for that particular trade. Now in this setup, I will draw the stop loss. Now this will be my stop loss. Can we see this? This is my swing low. Immediate swing low is this. After that market went up, okay, I entered here. So this is my immediate swing low. So this black line, जो black line में horizontal black line में draw की है, ठीक है, that will be my, that is what I am saying, Umang. This black line, can we see the black line on the chart? इसका low है 145, ठीक है? 145 will be my stop loss. This will be my stop loss. This is my swing low, immediate swing low after breakout. Clear? Everyone clear up to this? Okay, now targets. Now when it comes to the target, I prefer first 1:1. Okay, what I prefer? 1:1. That is what my risk reward ratio is. Because see, we have limited capital. Okay, we have limited capital, and we have, that is again depend on you, Ankit. You can put the buffer. That is not the concern. It up to you. Let it, you know, that will be, you know, subjective. Okay, that will be subjective. It's up to you. Now, when we talk about the targets, I prefer 1:1, because we have the limited capital. Okay, and we get the trades very frequently. अगर महीने में 3 भी मिल जाते हैं मुझे, so we don't have, you know, इतना पैसा होना चाहिए ना हर महीने 3 ट्रेड में पैसा डालने के लिए. So what I prefer is, I prefer that my clients should get the 1:1 risk reward ratio. First of all, I don't trade, okay, because I'm the analyst. So SEBI doesn't allow me to trade. So I only recommend to my HNI clients. Okay. So whenever I recommend in 1:1 first of all. Okay. So in 1:2, now what do you mean by risk reward ratio? 1:1 मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मैं 10 रुपए का रिस्क ले रहा हूं तो पहले मैं 10 रुपए कमाऊंगा. 1:2, which means that if I'm taking 10 rupees risk, so I should make 20 rupees risk reward. Clear? Now in this scenario, we have taken 165 पे ट्रेड लिया और 145 का अपना लो है. So we are risking how much? We are risking 20 rupees. ठीक है? We are risking 20 rupees in this particular trade. So our first target should be 20 rupees if you look at the 1:1. Clear? Everyone clear? Risk reward ratio कैसा होना चाहिए? How to take out the target? 1:1. If you are into 1:1, I prefer in this setup 1:1. Okay, and now after that I trail. I will tell how to trail the stop losses also. Yes, definitely, Umang, I am coming to that only. Okay, how to trail, that is again the fantastic way. You because see, we are looking on the monthly chart, और मंथली चार्ट पे हम लोगों ने क्लियर कट देखा है, जब 150 आता है 150 का 300 होता है, 300 आता है 300 का 150 होता है. So why to miss early, right? We can trail the stop losses. अगर ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस होता है ओके ठीक है, एग्जिट करो. we don't need to bother about anything. ठीक है? So up to this, risk reward ratio is 1:1. So we have taken the 20 rupees ka risk. So my first target would be 20 rupees. So we have entered at 165, let's say somewhere. So my first target would be 185. Okay, my first target would be 185. So let's say we got somewhere around 185 ka target यहाँ पे. Okay, it made high somewhere around 190. Okay, so we got our first target here. We will book part here. पहले तो हम लोग part book कर लेंगे. ठीक है? Now how to trail? Again, when it comes to the trailing stop loss, there are multiple studies can be used. I simply use the price action again. जो मेरा immediate swing low है, that will act as my support now. ठीक है? What will be my swing low in this scenario? I booked it here. यहाँ पे मैंने book कर लिया 185 पे. Now my swing low is this. I will draw the arrow. Just a minute. My swing low is this. Everyone clear up to this? समझ में आया? ये मेरा swing low है. यहाँ पे मैं हूँ अभी. ठीक है? मैं यहाँ पे हूँ अभी. So this will be my immediate swing low. I will draw the horizontal line again. So I will trail my stop loss here. ठीक है? If I book the profit here, I will trail my stop losses at somewhere around 157. ठीक है? Now again. ठीक है? अभी तक हमारा हम लोग we are trailing our stop losses. ठीक है? Now again, when it comes to the trailing stop losses, now we are going in this other direction, which is called Dow, Dow theory पता होगी सबको, higher top higher bottom formation हम लोग बोलते हैं. That's how swing low swing how high formed. जैसे ही मेरा ये high break हुआ, now look at here, it broke my this high. ये जो मेरा high था, इसको हम लोग ने break किया. ये जो high था, ये high break हो गया ये वाले कैंडल में. ठीक है? ये वाले कैंडल में ये high break हो गया. So I will shift my stop loss because my this swing high got break. ठीक है? So my next trailing stop loss will be this. My next trailing stop loss will be this. ठीक है? Everyone get up to this. जैसे ही ये मेरा high break हो गया, whatever the level will be, मेरा pattern active हो गया. I need to trail my stop loss on the immediate swing low. जैसे ही breakout हुआ, this is my immediate swing low. Everyone clear up to this? And I got my trailing stop loss here. ठीक है? वापस I got my trailing stop loss at cost. ठीक है? Doesn't matter. वापस ये स्टॉक अपना वापस सपोर्ट पे आया यहाँ पे. ठीक है? अगेन इट कम टू दी सेम सपोर्ट. ये जो मेरा पीछे का ट्रेंड लाइन था, अगेन इट वेंट कम टू दी सेम सपोर्ट. अगेन वी विल रिएक्ट. सब कुछ सेम है. देयर आर डाइवर्जेंसेस. मंथली चार्ट पे तो डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ सपोर्ट ऑन मंथली चार्ट. ठीक है? प्राइसेस आर फॉलिंग डाउन. ठीक है? नाउ लुक एट द सेकंड थिंग व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज ये डाइवर्जेंस देखने हैं. यस देयर आर डाइवर्जेंसेस. प्राइसेस आर फॉलिंग. RSI is going up. Again we got the divergence in MACD. Yes or no? Like I said, MACD में जैसी divergence आता है तो high conviction बन जाता है. Yes or no? I said ना that whenever you get the divergence in MACD, you get the high conviction. Yeah, we got the divergence in the RSI, we got the divergence in the MACD, we got the crossover in the MACD also. Again we will look for trade here. Again we will draw the trend line. ठीक है? Again we draw the trend line. जैसे draw trend line draw किया. Again now look at here at this stage. What we will do? We will not consider these breakout. Okay? We will consider only this green candle breakout because all the breakouts are below 50 moving average. मैं black वाला draw करता हूँ. Now look at see. Can we see my moving average? All volume candles are below 50 moving average. ठीक है? Below 50 moving average, and this is the only green candle after having a breakout. It increase with the volume. Can we see the volume here on this particular candle? Everyone with me? Yes or no? Everyone with me? Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes.
People are not dropping messages. I got.
You are audible, but your mouse is not visible. Cursor, mouse cursor.
ओके ठीक है. मेरा थोड़ा कनेक्शन का इशू था. ओके ठीक है. Sorry, so many messages. My connection got weak again, like I said. Yeah. So now in this scenario we got the setup again. Yeah, we got this setup up till this breakout तक समझ में आया सबको? Breakout तक समझ में आया, and then we have the breakout, but we will not consider this breakout because look at the volume participation at the breakout. This is the breakout candle. This green candle is the breakout candle. First time it give the close above the First time it gives the close above the trend line. Okay, so this is our breakout candle. But look at the volume activity. There are no volume activity as such. We require a volume activity should be above 50 moving average. Now this is the first candle. ये जो candle बनी है यहाँ पे, this is the first candle after breakout which has seen a good volume activity. Look at the volume here. So only once next day, जैसे ही हम लोग को 153.48 इसका high है. What is the high of the particular candle is 153.50. So whenever we see the high break, then only we will enter here. ठीक है, समझ में आया? और again, if I am entering here, what will be my stop loss? Again, the swing low. This is my swing low. This will be my immediate swing low. So what is my stop loss? My stop loss is 146. Can we see on the higher side? 146 on the top screen. Open, high, low, close. ठीक है? Am I audible, everyone? Screen is visible? Yeah, ठीक है. So now again, जो भी है अपना 1:1 है, and then we will ride it. We will ride it. ठीक है? We will keep on riding. चलो मेरा पहला टारगेट यहाँ पे आ गया. I will delete this line. ठीक है? मेरा first target, let's say we got my first target somewhere around this here. Now again it broke the this previous high. Again I will trail my stop loss here. ठीक है? So again it is going up. It got break here. ठीक है? So I will trail my stop loss here. Again it is going up. I will trail. Again it broke the low. Again I will trail my stop loss here. ठीक है? I just need to trail my stop loss. ठीक है? एक बार मेरा stop loss trailing stop loss जाएगा, but look at the next time. From somewhere around 155 to we ride up to somewhere around 274. इतना तो हम लोग, to be frank, इतना hold नहीं करते, to be very honest. ठीक है? But look at the structure. Look at the structure. इतना, to be very honest, मैं भी इतना hold नहीं करता हूँ, मेरे clients भी इतना hold नहीं करते. I don't recommend to hold this much because like again I'm saying, we get the fresh trades. हम लोग को तो trade आते रहते हैं ना, so we don't hold this much. Again in this setup you will not get much trade. अभी ये fall हुआ, so definitely there are so many stocks come to the 50% low. मतलब 50% गिर गए. Now everyone clear up to this? Everyone clear? Now we will go to the recent case studies in SBI. ठीक है? I will remove all the I will just remove this one. ठीक है? So now this will be the yeah. ठीक है? So again, like I said, in this particular Rajneesh, I think very difficult to say that because if you look at now, we got many trades, right? We got VD, we got Hindalco, बहुत सारे trades मिले अपने को. But even SBI, ठीक है? So like I said, there are so many listed company यार. 500 Nifty NSE 500 में you will get trades. See at a time how many trades you can open? 7 or 8 or maximum 10. तो 500 में से 10 स्टॉक में तो कहीं ना कहीं अपना पैसा ब्लॉक ही रहेगा. You understand? Now our approach is the top down approach. ठीक है? We are repeating again. Now we are going to take a trade on the this one. Recent में जाएंगे हम लोग. ठीक है? So now we'll go to the monthly chart first. पहले हम लोग monthly chart से start करेंगे. I will remove each and everything. Again we will draw. ठीक है? ठीक है? We back to the monthly chart. Now historically we have witnessed that from this level, from this supports, market is taking bounce. Market is showing us bounce. Yes or no? Here it showed bounce. ठीक है? Again here it showed bounce. Here also it showed bounce. ठीक है? 3 बार तो historically इसने retrace किया है. So now again definitely whenever it comes to this level, we are patiently waiting for the 150 level in SBI. ठीक है? 150 रुपए का स्टॉक आ गया. Again now we need to add on the confirmation. जो पहले 4 filtration थे. पहला क्या, longer time frame पे हम लोग लेंगे. Second one is we will look for the sharp fall. We will look for the sharp rise. Now fall is sharp, very sharp. Yes or no? Can we see the fall? Look at the fall. Very sharp fall. No, we can consider the shadow also. Doesn't matter, I think, Divya, right? So look, let me complete again. So we will look for the sharp fall. Fall sharp है यहाँ पे 4-5 कैंडल के अंदर जो 300 वाला स्टॉक था, 350 वाला स्टॉक वापस 150 हो गया. That is our third criteria. कि short stock should fall below 50%. Yes or no? Below 50%. तो 350 वाला स्टॉक 150 रुपए हो गया. So definitely 50% से तो ज्यादा गिर गया. Now the final one is the FIBO level. FIBO level अभी यहाँ पे मैं कैसे ड्रॉ करूंगा? This is my the previous low and this is my immediate swing high. Yes or no? तो मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया. So what we require in FIBO level, we will consider only those stocks we are trading. those are trading below 50% retracement. ठीक है, तो 50% retracement कहाँ है अपना, ये अपना 50% retracement था, ब्लैक लाइन जो मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. डेफिनेटली it is trading on the 100% retracement. Can we see 100% retracement पे ट्रेड कर रहा है. सो डेफिनेटली चारों फिल्टर अपने पूरे हो गए. एवरीवन क्लियर अप टू दिस? ऑल दी 4 फिल्टर गॉट फिल्ड हियर. एवरीवन क्लियर अप टू दिस? ठीक है. सो नाउ टाइम टू मूव ऑन टू दी डेली चार्ट. चलो डेली चार्ट पे आते हैं. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू लुक एट ऑन द डेली चार्ट. आई विल डिलीट दिस पीपल लेवल्स. डेली चार्ट पे क्या देखना है हम लोग को? वी नीड टू लुक फॉर द इंडिकेटर्स. तो पहला इंडिकेटर कौन सा है? RSI. तो RSI में हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? व्हाट वी लुक एट इन द RSI इज द डाइवर्जेंसेस. ठीक है, सो वी विल लुक फॉर द डाइवर्जेंस. यस, सो prices are falling. Clearly, can we see the prices? Yes, there is a sharp fall in this SBI. But can we see the RSI falling? No, RSI is going up. RSI is going up. ठीक है, no audio. I'm audible. Kindly check from your end. I'm audible. ठीक है, so we got the divergences on the RSI also. Now this is our third confirmation. Fourth confirmation we will take from the MACD. What we will look at in the MACD? We will look for the crossovers. ठीक है, we will look for the crossovers. So we got the crossover here. Again, look at the beautiful divergences, strong divergences in the MACD. Can we see the strong divergences? Yes. उमंग, क्रॉसओवर के बाद में हम लोग डाइवर्जेंसेस भी देखते हैं. लाइक आई सेड, जहां पे आपको क्वांटिटी बढ़ानी है, यू नो द कन्विक्शन, हाई कन्विक्शन, व्हाट वी कैन से. एवरीवन क्लियर? लुक एट द डाइवर्जेंस, ब्यूटीफुल डाइवर्जेंसेस इन द MACD. प्राइसेस आर क्लियरली फॉलिंग एंड लुक एट द MACD, इट इज वास्टली गॉट इट अप. ठीक है, एकदम क्लियर अप में जा रहा है. प्राइसेस आर फॉलिंग, MACD is going up. It means that there is a hidden buying. There is a hidden buying. Divergences मतलब पॉजिटिव डाइवर्जेंस मतलब हिडन बाइंग, जो हम लोग को चार्ट्स पे नहीं दिख रहा है. प्राइसेस आर, इफ यू लुक एट द ओनली चार्ट, ओके ठीक है, प्राइसेस तो गिर रहा है, रोज मंदी करो. बट इफ यू एड द इंडिकेटर, यू विल स्टॉप योर मंदी, यू विल स्टॉप योर सेल पोजीशन. नो, यू नीड टू टेक अ पोजीशन, right? You will stop because you see that there are positive divergences on both the indicators, RSI as well as MACD. ठीक है, so you at least you will not buy though, but definitely you will stop shorting the market. ठीक है, it gives you two indication, either you stop the shorting or you try to look for the long. ठीक है, दो चीज. I will answer definitely, but मैं पहले cover कर लूँ पूरा. Now this is our fourth confirmation. MACD का चौथा confirmation था ना. Now we will come to the breakout part. अभी हम लोग breakout को देखेंगे. So now if we draw the trend line here, ठीक है, if we adjust these two highs, ठीक है, if we adjust these two highs, we got the breakout here. Now look at this is the how to draw trend line. सबको समझ में आ गया ना ट्रेंड लाइन कैसा? दो हाई मैंने मिला है. We just adjust the two highs. ठीक है, so that's how it got the. Yes, Rahil, price should be 50%, below 50%. It is, in this case, it is 100%, right? So which is very good. Below 50% मतलब नीचे आना चाहिए, 61.8, 78 point, because we are going from down to up. You understand? ठीक है? So now look at the breakout part. जब breakout होगा, then only we will react. Always remember, we are not going to react. मैंने क्या बोला? We are not here to predict the things. We are here to react. ठीक है? So reaction कब देंगे? जब breakout होगा. When we will react? When breakout will happen. ठीक है? So now in this green candle we got the breakout. Kindly please switch off your Bhavin. So this was the breakout candle. Can we see the breakout candle? But look at the volume participation. There was not a decent volume participation. It is below 50 moving average. So breakout we will consider, but we will not consider this particular candle. You understand? We will not take a trade on this particular candle. Next candle पे ये जो है green candle जो बना है next candle पे, ये अच्छा candle है. Look at the volume participation. Okay, now volume participation is also good. We will act here. तो इसका जो क्या है, इसका high, what is the high? Look at the open high low close पे. What is the high? 171.40 is my immediate high on this particular candle. So we will buy above 171.40. Let's say 172 जैसी आएगा, we will buy. clear up to this? Trade लेने तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Up to taken trade, everyone is clear? Audio lost. I think I'm audible, right? Yeah, people are messaging means I'm audible. ठीक है. So now we will buy above 171.40. ठीक है, मैंने 172 पे मैंने trade लिया. Now what will be my stop loss? In every scenario, breakout candle में stop loss क्या होता है? My swing low. Swing low will be my stop loss. Yes. This will be my stop loss. So what is my stop loss as of now? It is again 150. Can we see on the higher side? What is the low? 149.45. So I'll make it 150. Round figure करते ध्यान में रहेगा. Yes. So 150 will be my stop loss. I will take trade above 172. So how much I am risking? Let's make it 170. 20 रुपए round figure करके बात करते हैं. ठीक है? How much I am risking? I am risking 20 rupees. So my first target would be 20 rupees. If you'll go for the 1:1. Yes, Mr. Vinay. 190 will be our first target. ठीक है. तो कितने का हाई बनाया नेक्स्ट कैंडल में? ओके 197 का हाई बन गया. ये वाले कैंडल में कैन वी सी द हाई 197? So our first target done. In how many days? Only 3 or 4 session. It is not compulsion. Again I am saying we are talking about the positional trade. तो ऐसा ना हो जहाँ पे मोमेंटम होता है वहाँ पे टारगेट जल्दी आते हैं, but most of the time it take time. So don't be only when it comes to the taking trade. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है but ऐसा हर बार नहीं होता है. Now the concept of trailing stop loss. Now look at here. Here जहाँ पे हम लोग को जहाँ पे हमारा जो टारगेट आया है, the target we got the first target, right? But there is no consolidation. There is a straight rally. ठीक है? There is a straight rally. So we are kind of confused to how to trail the stop loss. ठीक है? जब भी ऐसा situation आता है, whenever this kinds of situation occurs, we need to trail our stop loss to the breakout zone. कहाँ पे trail करेंगे? Breakout zone. So this was my breakout zone. ठीक है? This was my breakout. Let's say 160. Can we see the 160? Again I'm drawing the horizontal line. This was our the breakout. ये जो green candle है, this was our breakout candle. ठीक है? So we will trail our stop loss below 160 because we have the straight rally. We don't have consolidation. तो हम लोग को straight rally मिला तो यहाँ पे हम लोग we will get there is second thought for trailing stop losses. So in this scenario we will trail our stop loss to the breakout level. Clear up to this everyone? There is some variability in this particular trade. थोड़ा change हुआ था इसलिए मैंने बताया. Yes. Now अभी हम लोग we are still in trade. ठीक है? Now we got the some consolidation part. ठीक है? यहाँ पे हम लोग का consolidation हुआ. Again prices went up. It broke this candle broke again the previous high, swing high. ये जो candle था ये candle ने break किया. So my stop loss will be, now I will take my stop loss to here. Everyone clear up to this? Why I took my stop loss to here? यहाँ पे मैं stop loss क्यों लेके आया? Because this is my swing low now. Now again I will hold patiently. ठीक है? Still we are in the trade. If you look at this thing, ठीक है? Still again we got the fresh breakouts. ये मेरा हाई था, ये यहाँ पे हाई ब्रेक हो गया. On this candle we got the high break. ठीक है? ये कैंडल में हाई ब्रेक हुआ. ठीक है? ये वाले कैंडल में again where we will take up our stop loss यहाँ पे. Clear up to this? This is how you need to trail your stop loss. ठीक है? This is how you need to trail your stop loss. So I hope everyone is clear of the my setup. Everyone clear up to this? So we will look for some more case studies. It is interesting or not? First of all, interesting है, easy है, and I hope you have note down the each and everything. Filtration is very important. It took me almost 6